The main challenge for effective corporate governance will always be globalization of businesses, and therefore the possibilities of running one business in different jurisdictions. This is actually a very common problem in M&A, how to unify the governance when the deal is done, especially a cross-border deal. This is why corporate governance will always be related with M&A transactions. We all tend to think that corporate governance is a commodity and no one can ever come up with anything new about it. I cannot agree. Our lives and works are dominated by corporations. Some say we breathe and eat through corporations. We travel by them, we communicate by them. Our health is dependent on corporations. This is why the role of modern corporation and its managers is not just to earn profit for their stakeholders. The corporations and their officers are expected to support values and goals promoted worldwide. This is even bigger challenge than just to effectively manage large organisms.